Khubor Pibaro Shakatup Khubor Jingi ke Don Bosco Media Network. Kimat bakong san menta kasingi kilong. Wan ra Menteri Rangba ukon rat kisang ma ya kamang tingka arjar arpoar hadu arjar arpulai kebeduna pisa hadu syajar praspa sab kendai kelur tingka. Khubor Na Ka Jylla ke Kloy Banyasam ya kejingite soskular kaput bet ke Assam. Khubor Meghalaya kedang wat Jakarta nyut nak kebenta Khubor Jawai. But I certificate ka Khasil Autonomous District Council yaki khat lai ngut kinong ai dawai kin bat khasi. But mintangin pa shiki khobor bakam benya. Menteri Rangba ka Meghalaya ukon rat ki sangma menta kasngi ulawan ra apo ka ying dorbar thawan ye kamang tingka nak bentau snem arjar arpuar hadu arjar arpulai ka beduna pisa hadu syajar praspa saub khandai klur tingka. Hakani kesngi ukon rat ki sangma ulai thu ruba Khubor Na Ka Jylla kan pelut shibon ke pisa na kabenta ki babon ki kampen roy.
Its GSDP for the current financial year is pegged at 37,494 crores. Given the positive outlook for the economy, the GSDP estimates for 2022-23 stands at 41,010 crores. For the current financial year, the state government received 5,851 crores as share of central taxes, against the original estimates of 5,100 crores. Under the Special Capital Assistance Program, the Union Finance Ministry has also sanctioned 300 crores for taking up various capital projects. These additional funds are a welcome relief to the state government, and I would like to express my gratitude to the Honorable Prime Minister and the Honorable Union Finance Minister.
Hakabe day bigijing pelut na kabenta ki kampen roy jeng kisamla ukon rat ki sangma ulai thu ba Khubor kadon kejing temu ban pelut hadu syajar laispa ndripulai klur tingka na kabenta kani kejing temu.
Providing opportunities to these youth to find employment and to achieve excellence is the government's priority. Youth engagement. The Meghalaya Youth Policy has been approved in the current financial year. A program for the engagement and training in soft skills of 10,000 youths has been launched. I am allocating an amount of 10 crores towards this program. Skills form the core of employability, and we have been taking up various skill development initiatives. I have launched a new all-comprehensive skill program called Skills Meghalaya. Under this program, 1 lakh youths will be trained in various skills for both wage and self-employment in the local economy over the next 5 years. I am allocating 10 crores for the Skill Meghalaya program for 2022-23 to cover 10,000 youth. Aggregating all the investments being proposed for youth in 2022-23, the size of the youth budget comes to 1,363 crores. This constitutes about 7% of the total budget size.
Khubor Na Ka Jylla ka Kloy Banyasam ya kejingite soskular kaput bet ke Assam ukon rat ki sangma ulai thu ikni hakid khot ke ying dorbar thawan hakapor babu jingkeli.
Already made a statement based on the MOU a few days back. So obviously I have shared all the information that could be shared. And as I said, sir, the MOU, once we go to Delhi, there is a strong possibility that while we sign that MOU, the Forest Department or some other department may come forward and say that, well, this cannot be done. So therefore, you'll have to remove this line and bring it here. You have to create a buffer zone. So we don't know those micro details is what I'm trying to say. But if you look at the overall, the statement that I gave that day in the House, sir, and which I've laid it on the table of the House, it covers the broad understanding that we have reached to. I'm talking about micro details of 0.05 meters, 0.05 meters here or there, which are really micro. Yes, it's important, but as I said, I would think that it would not be appropriate to give those kind of details in the House till all the concerned stakeholders and the Government of India, everybody is on board and we finalize it.
Menteri ki kampen roy sor ka Meghalaya ubasnya bhalang dhar ulai thu ikidkhot ke ying dor bar thau an ke Meghalaya ba Khubor kadang wat Jakarta nyut nak kabenta Khubor Jawai. Uba dhar ulai thu ikni habaula jubab ikjingkli balabu dudkhot ke United Democratic Party uba Nujorki sungo.
So the plan is to procure a suitable land for the purpose of a sanitary landfill.
Mr. Speaker, sir, even though the issue has been extensively discussed and replied yesterday, but still I would like to get some clarity from the Honorable Minister, sir. So since you already mentioned about the Moshuds die yesterday, so I would just like to know from the Honorable Minister, sir, whether the municipal department has already started using the this particular lot for dumping of garbage or not.
Mr. Speaker, yes, it has been used just as a temporary landfill only, and this last 4th of March, public hearing was conducted to be for the permanent one. So we are awaiting the report from the Deputy Commissioner for the report on which held on the 4th March, and as soon as we get the report and if everything goes well and all the norms are fulfilled, then the government will acquire the land and will process for the new landfill.
Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council minta kasengi kala ai de certificate iki khat lai ngut kinong ai dawai ken bat khasi kum kajing itu ikajing tre kam kajongki. Kani kajing ai certificate ka long ru kum kajing burom ya ka kam jongki ka baya habdur bat ka KHADC Protection and Promotion of Khasi Traditional Medicine Act arjar khatwe. Chief Executive Member ka KHADC Ubati Khan ula samru da ki certificate bat ki identity card shekite ki khat lai ngut ban kampen suk shushu ikajing tre jongki.
Traditional Medicine Commission ni kong nga ai kublei ai secretary jongi ai kublei ru member jong ka commission Dr. Nong Spung but ya phi baro ki nong ai dawai khasi ki ba ni la khot kerpang man tagasngi hadin ba phi la pendap ban penitu eladi syakani ka commission kum kita ki nong ai dawai kan bat kasi paka ki jongi lengkot ka jingat nanti jong ka commission hakini ki kandidat senam ila persyang ya kaban sandur ban penwandur lengba kan ka an ka bangi la don ban pelong ya ka jing itu ya pi ki nong ai dawai kasi ki baju ai ya ka jing syakri halagi jong ki Shillong ki thau hagi jaka ki ba pher ki ba ha apo pu sam jong ka council daga ba pi ai ka jing syakri ban sumari ki bril halagi jong isap ipong ibau blei try kan ra la ai pi
Bat da ki tu ki khubor ngila poi shakabakut tat haduk bengine syambiang khublei shipon.